How to use Play Store. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Play Store easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So first thing, go to Play Store. As you can see, this is the home page. Now right here you will find the apps. As you can see on this page you will find only apps. For example, business tools, take better photos. Those are the editing softwares. For example, this one, it's editing again, and here's social networking. Here you will find Facebook, Pinterest, Reddit. And if you want games, go here, click on games, and right here you will find only the games. As you can see, football games, cars games, racing games. As you can see, uh, many options right here. And yeah, and if you want to, for example, download any game right here, all what you have to do is click on it like this and click install from here. As you can see, very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.